strobe light effect or blinking LED effect project. Okay, in this we use BC547 transistor. This is the BC54 transistor. This is the collector. Second one is base. Third one is emitter. And next we use here one LED. This is the LED 5 mm. Next used one 5 kilo ohm resistor. This is the 5 kilo ohm resistor. Next we use here 150 ohm resistor. We don't have 150 ohm resistor, so we connected two resistors 75 ohm in series to make 150 ohm. Next we used here one capacitor of 100 microfarad 35 volt. Using here 12 volt battery. Here we are used 3 lithium batteries of 3.7 volt. We connected these batteries in series to make 12 volt. Let's start the circuit. Okay, we connect here LED positive to collector of the BC547, the positive. We connect negative of the LED, okay, cathode point in 150 ohm resistor. This is the 150 ohm resistor. For this we connect one capacitor. 150 ohm resistor is connected to capacitor. This is the negative and this is the positive. We connect negative to 150 ohm resistor. Next 100 microfarad capacitor is connected to emitter of the BC547. We use here one link wire. Connected to emitter. Okay. Now from emitter to 5 kilo ohm resistor. This is the 5 kilo ohm resistor. Next from battery negative, 12 volt battery negative is given to resistor 150 ohm and capacitor 100 microfarad. In between we give one negative 12 volt battery connection. Connect negative to the battery. Positive of the 12 volt is given to the 5 kilo ohm resistor. This is the 5 kilo ohm resistor. We connect to this. Positive of the 12 volt supply. Strobe circuit. You can see here. This is the strobe circuit. In other word, blinking LED circuit. You can use this on application of aeroplane for aviation.